Alright, what's up guys? It's Broke Built Boys. So in today's video, we are going to be showing you guys the truck, but before we do that, we wanted to show you guys the stickers because they finally came in and we told you we were going to give you a better view of them before you guys go check out the website, which will be in the description below. Fully weatherproof, they're vinyl instead of just the regular sticker kind of decal material. So they're actually pretty heavy duty, and for the price you can't beat it. Go ahead and check out the website. They're $6 shipped to your door. Other than that, we're going to go head to the compound, me and Chris, and we're going to go show off the truck and show you guys what it's all about. Alright, let's ride. You know what they say, what comes with a big truck comes with big fuel bills, so right now I gotta go hit the gas station and go put some fuel in before we head to the compound. Alright guys, we're here at the compound. Cue the montage.
Pulling out the coupe at the lot, Tony fuck 12, fuck SWAT, busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box, had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn seal, I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deals, we been trapping like the 80s. She said the nigga so, got the cash out. Told him wipe a nigga no, say slash slash. I won't never sell my soul, and I can back that. And I really wanna know where you at, I was at back, where the stash at? Cruise the city in a bulletproof Cadillac, cause I know these niggas out there where the bag at. Gotta move smarter, gotta move harder. Nigga try to give me 5 mile water, I lay his ass down on my son, on my daughter. I had the Draco with me, Dwayne Carter. Lot of niggas out here playing, ain't ballin'. I done put my whole arm in the rim, Vince Carter. And I know Poppy get a key for the quarter. Shawty barely seen the double C's, I bought her. Got a bitch that's looking like a Leah, she a model. I got the pink slip, my whip is keyless. Compton, I'm about to get the key to the city. Patty, light up the seat. Forgetting out the coupe at the lot. Tony fuck 12, fuck SWAT, busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box, had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn seal, I'ma get lazy.
Alright, so what's up guys? This is my truck. But no, all jokes aside, this is my 99 Ram 2500 with a 24 valve. This is going to be more so the designated tow pig of the channel. I've had this for about 3 years now. It's been my baby. Got a lot of money into it, so let's go over the parts that I put into it. As far as suspension goes on the truck, I'm running a Rough Country steering stabilizer. I got a Spawn track bar adjustable for 3 to 5 inch lift. I'm running Carly lift springs in the front. And then on top of that, I got Bilstein shocks with reservoirs meant for the lift that it's running right now, with the control arms that are also for the lift too. So everything was done right. I didn't just put a puck spacer in and call it a day. All right, moving on to motor work. We're running a Aurora 5000 turbo. It's a 767116, and I have 275 horse injectors is what they call them, but they're 7 by 0.13s. And I'm running industrial injection billet push rods. So far I haven't really gotten too much into the engine. I haven't even done head studs yet, but it's been holding up pretty well. I'm pushing probably way too many pounds out of this Aurora, but when this thing lights up, she lights up. You guys will see that maybe in the next video. All right, and I forgot to mention also for the tuner, I'm running a Quadzilla Adrenaline with the 4K with the custom tunes. Those rip. And for the trans work, I have a Suncoast Stage 3 for the clutches. I have a FTI billet triple disc converter, and I have a Suncoast billet input shaft. So it's good to hold up to what this thing is pushing. This thing should be around 550. It's pretty much maxing out the VP, but it hasn't done me wrong yet. So in case anybody cares for as far as wheel and tire spec, I got 305 5520s on there, which are basically a 33 by 12 and a half, and they're on 20 by 12s with negative 44 offset. They're the old gear kickstands, I believe they're called. But all right guys, as far as it goes for my truck, that's basically it. That's about all the parts I really have on it besides maintenance things. Like I've done a brand new starter, alternator, you know, all that other things. I just go with mileage and year wear and tear. So, but other than that, that's basically all the upgrades I've done. I'm about a little over 25 into it, but I plan on keeping this thing really forever. So I know I'm way over what it's worth, but that's the name of the game. That's how I am with all my cars. Everything's pretty much got way too much into it than it's worth, but that's the car scene. But we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Do not forget to check our description for the Big Cartel and the Instagram, because we just dropped the stickers and we have them available. So make sure you grab one while they're hot. We got about 35 left. But that's going to cut it for today's video. The next video is going to be a special one, so stay tuned for that. That should be dropping on Thursday night. But until then, we guys will see you in the next video. Broke Built Boys out.